it's Bree, the Coupon Queen. Good morning and happy Saturday. So I want to bring you guys the must-do deals for Walgreens for next week. So it is a little bit of a slower week, but there still are some really, really hot deals that some don't even require coupons. There's some good Crest deals, Colgate deals, laundry detergent deals. So I still wanted to do this video, of course, and share these deals with you guys in case any of you need to stock up on any of these products. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any money-saving tips or deals that I post almost every single day. I also have a new subscriber appreciation giveaway going on right now. How you enter, go to my Walgreens beauty event video. It'll tell you in that video exactly how to enter, and make sure you have that notification bell clicked because on Monday morning, or not Monday morning, probably Monday afternoon, I'll do my Walgreens haul and I will post the winner in that video. So once I announce the winner, you will have 2 days to reach back out to me. So you want to make sure that you don't miss out on Monday when I post that video for you guys. So I will have that video linked in the description box as well as after this video. So once we're done with our must-do deals, you guys can pop on over there and enter that giveaway. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get 10 items for just $6.74, which is a really, really great deal. First item here, no coupons needed. It's on the nice storage bags. I use these in my home personally. I love them. I think they're a really good quality and I definitely need more. So I need to stock up next week. They are on sale again, buy one, get two free. So when you pick up any three, and they have the gallon ones, they have the freezer bags, sandwich bags, snack bags, whatever size and variety you need, they're all included in this sale. So final cost, no coupons needed, is just 93 cents each. The next deal is on Colgate. When you buy two, you're going to get a $4 register reward. So next week, I do have a digital booster for spend 20, get 5,000 points back. I also have the paper version of that that's printed out at the Catalina that I'm going to be using next week. So as you know, if you shop at Walgreens, any spend deals and spend boosters, you can use register rewards to pay down your out-of-pocket cost. You cannot use points. So I'm going to want to be stocking up on more register rewards so those deals can have a low out-of-pocket. So for the Colgate, they are $2.99 each. You're going to buy two of the Optic White if those are included. Those are the better ones to buy because there's dollar printables on Colgate.com. If not, if only the Colgate Total and Colgate Max are included, you can still pick up those, of course. They have 75-cent coupons available on coupons or Colgate.com. So if you get the Optic White, you'll pay $3.98, get back a $4 register reward. Final cost is absolutely free. If they don't have the Optic White included, you're going to pick up two of the Colgate Total. That is $5.98. Use two of the 75-cent off printables. You'll pay $4.48. Get back that $4 register reward. So final cost would just be 24 cents per tube of toothpaste, which is still a great, great price point. Ajax or Dawn dish soap. I know a lot of people are die-hard Dawn fans and they love to use this dish soap over Ajax and Palmolive. So the small ones, the super small ones, they're 7 ounces. They're going to be on sale just 99 cents next week. And the Ajax 40-ounce detergent, just 99 cents next week. So again, no coupons needed. You just have to have the Walgreens Rewards program and have an account. You type in your phone number at the register and you'll get this price point, which is amazing. Now there is no limit on these, but of course they will prevent you from clearing out the shelves. Just make sure that you guys are courteous of others who want to take advantage of this deal. Even if you don't use the Ajax, definitely pick one up for 99 cents and donate it. Great, great donation item. So Crest Toothpaste, if you prefer Crest over Colgate, they are on sale. Buy three, get a $3 register reward. They're on sale for the same price, $2.99, same as the Colgate. So what you do is pick up any three. We're getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, which is awesome. So with all of these, we're going to pay $3.97 out of pocket. Get back that $3 register reward, so final cost is 97 cents for 3 of them, or just 33 cents each. Now you can include the Oral-B toothbrushes. I believe that's going to be included in that digital. We'll just have to wait and see what the digital says and make sure that we're buying the correct items that are matching. Of course, if they are tagged in your store, that always makes it way easier. Mitchum Deodorant. So these are on sale next week for just $2.99, and we're getting a $1 digital coupon, which is awesome. So all of these deals that we're going to be doing next week in these must-do deals video are beginner friendly. They're either printable coupons, which are free to print, or they're digital coupons. So anyone with an account with Walgreens can select these coupons, clip them, send them to your card, go to Walgreens and get these items at such a great price point. So after that $1 off digital coupon, you're going to pay just $1.99. So that is the last deal I have for you guys. That is how you can get 10 items for just $6.74, which is amazing. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.